a pure soul with a bright in her eyes, which always saw the good side. Her world revolved around imaginations. She dreamt of a life she wanted, always believed she had a purpose to be alive. She lived into her world. When it was time to take the stairs to the real world, she trembled. Couldn't believe her eyes. Remember what she was told, that the world can really be a nasty place. Took another step. Felt people pushing each other, pulling her down, made her tears fall down. Couldn't take another step. Self-doubt surrounded her. She asked, "Who are you?" And she answered, "I'm your enemy." She managed to overlook it and reach the top. Reflecting on her journey, she was tired, exhausted, and just done. Suddenly a star hits her and she saw her younger self full of hopes in her eyes, a wide smile, writing her dream life. And it hits you. You're living her life, but something don't feels right. While chasing the light, her childhood slipped through her eyes. She didn't realize she is now who she wanted to be and left who she was. This sudden realization of growing up ached her heart. When she looked back and realized her past, she is grateful for where she is and couldn't believe her eyes. Tears rolled down her face when she remembered how she got up here. It was indeed a long journey, but nevertheless so worth it. But when she went down for a walk, saw a child arguing with his peers and a group of teens wandering around. Her childhood years flashed like a thunder, but all she did was to take a deep breath and smile wide, wishing, "What if I lived my life a little more wild?"